Hello everyone. Welcome to this series of tutorials on data science and machine learning for absolute beginners. For a beginner, the first question that comes in the mind is, what is data science, and why are the people talking so much about it? Where do we see the applications, and what value does it create for me, and in industry? So, let's get started to answer these questions. Well, our civilization started with Stone Age. After that we had Metal Age, then came Industrial Age followed by Electronic Age, and finally, we are into Information Age. Correct? Today we have sophisticated computer systems. Their processing power is growing faster even beyond Moore's law. We have high-speed internet. We have billions of smart devices, and more importantly, a vast amount of data. This helps faster flow of information in the form of data. And by the process, it creates even more amount of data. So, how much data do we have with us? Let me give you some interesting facts on our digital universe. We have close to 40 zettabyte of data, with a projection of 180 zettabyte of data by 2025. By the way, how much is 1 zettabyte of data? Well, roughly, 1 zettabyte is equivalent to a movie with ultra high definition format that runs for 8 million years. Interestingly, about 90% of all data has been created in the last 2 years. Every day, we have 500 million tweets, 300 billion emails, and 65 billion WhatsApp messages around the world. Walmart handles more than 1 million customer transactions every hour. Facebook handles more than 30 petabytes of user-generated data. YouTube users upload 48 hours of new video every minute of the day. 571 new websites are created every minute of the day. IDC estimates more than 450 billion online transactions per day by 2020. And, most importantly, the volume of business data worldwide, across all companies, doubles every 1.2 years. So, what do we do with this massive amount of data? Data is the new oil, and if used properly, it can generate significant benefits for the users. Here comes the concept of data science. The science to tame the data. The science to use data to generate some value out of it. Let's understand how data science creates value through the following examples. Let's talk about where we apply data science in our daily life. Well, every day, we encounter with data science in one way or the other. We use Google to search for some information. We ask Alexa to play our favorite music. In social media, we get new recommendations on possible new connections. We have seen how Amazon helps us with automatic product recommendations when we shop online. There are customized ads on Gmail or Facebook page, depending on our browsing history and personal interests. We use Google Maps to navigate while driving. We order food online and track the order for real-time delivery status. In our smartphones, we often subscribe to several apps to simplify our life. For example, finding a parking slot, getting the best deal on a flight ticket, weather prediction, online games, and so on. Have you ever wondered how things are done automatically? It is data science at the core.